Good morning. Today we are going to observe the nature table. This is a feather. It is a part of a bird's body. Feathers are of different colors, shape and size. This is a leaf. Leaves are a part of a plant's body. Leaves are usually green in color. They come in different shapes and size. They cook food for the plant. This is a stone. It is a hard, solid substance. It is found in the ground. Stones are of different shapes, color and size. This is an insect. Insects are of different colors, shapes and size. They have 3 body parts, 6 legs and 2 antennas. Some insects have wings to fly. This is a flower. Flower is a part of a plant's body. Flowers also come in different colors, shapes and size. They have different numbers of petals. So today we saw and observed the nature table. This tells us the relation between the plants and animals with each other in the nature. Thank you.